Your thumbnail is the first thing people notice about your video. If it doesn't grab attention, your content is not even gonna get a chance. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create stunning, scroll-stopping AI-generated thumbnails for your YouTube videos or anything you want in 5 minutes or less. So first of all, you need a clear thumbnail concept. Okay, the thumbnail should tell a story at a glance. You need to ask yourself, what's the emotion, or what needs to be the front and center, what's the simple idea this thumbnail communicates. Now here's the best thing. You don't have to be the one creating or even describing the concept. You can ask ChatGPT to create this concept. For example, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT, I'm gonna ask to act as a YouTube thumbnail expert, and I need a thumbnail concept for a video titled, you're gonna insert your title, for example, how to get your emails in the inbox. Then I'm gonna say, create a detailed visual description including the main subject, facial expression, background elements, text overlay positioning, color scheme, and overall mood. Make it click-worthy and designed to stop the scroll. So it's gonna give you all of the concept, the subject, the text overlay, the mood and style, and then it's gonna ask me if it wants to generate a mockup image. So I'm gonna say yes, but I'm gonna say the format is 16:9 YouTube thumbnail. So we have, for example, a proposal here of a thumbnail. Now we can ask another thing, like I need a concept for a thumbnail on this topic. ChatGPT based workflows. So let's wait. Then it's gonna create me all the concept for the YouTube video, the subject, the background elements, text overlay, color scheme, mood and style. And then it's gonna ask me to generate it, so I'm gonna say yes. And voila, here we go. So we have a generated thumbnail that we just need to download. Now here's another method, another one that I prefer a little bit more, is using a tool called Artflow. So in Artflow, you can first of all create your actor builder by putting 5 images of you, uploading 5 images of you or more. And when you upload these images, what's gonna happen is it's gonna create an avatar of you. Okay, it's gonna create an avatar of you. Then with this avatar, you can give instructions to Artflow, and here's the best part. You can ask ChatGPT to generate those instructions, so you don't even have to be the one writing the instructions. So in this case, GPT is creating me the prompt for the Artflow. Okay, basically GPT is creating the prompt for another tool that also uses prompts. So I'm just gonna copy and paste, and I'm gonna tag myself. In this case, Christian is the avatar, that's me. And the Artflow tool knows my avatar. So once that is happening, I just put the format, the sizing format, it's 16:9. Then I select the styles. It gives me more than 30 styles. Okay, Artflow gives more than 30 styles. And then you just click on generate, and it creates 4 proposals at once. So you can see very, very cool examples of YouTube thumbnails that you can then use. And then you can download them directly. And to avoid paying for the paid plan, to avoid the watermark, what you can do is you just take a screenshot of the part that you want, so you avoid the watermark. Now, if you want a little bit more capabilities, the free plan can do a lot. It gives you 100 credits a month, and basically one thumbnail, one art creation is 1 credit. If you want more than that, for like companies, agencies, you can pay the starter plan, or you can be on the pro plan.